Okay, so let's see what we can deduce from this image of an atom. It's showing the arrangement of protons, neutrons and electrons in an atom. You can be asked to identify any of these parts. We might be able to identify which element it is using the periodic table. So first thing, we've got this structure in the centre that we need to recall is the nucleus. And inside the nucleus there are two subatomic particles, protons and neutrons. And the sum total of the protons and the neutrons is what makes up the mass. So all of the mass is concentrated in the nucleus of the atom, and we can see these particles here in the centre. The ones with a little positive sign are the protons, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Neutrons, the black dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that gives me my information for my element, that the atomic number, the proton number, is 5, and the mass number is the protons and the neutrons added together, which makes 11. So you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 particles in the nucleus altogether, and they weigh 1 each, so 11 in total. If we look on a periodic table, we'll see that element number 5 with an atomic number of 5 is boron. And then finally we can see here that there are orbits or energy levels or shells, and they are holding the electrons. So B is pointing to an electron, and there are always the same number of electrons as there are protons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons. So overall there are 5 positive protons and 5 negative electrons, which gives us an overall charge on every single atom is 0. The overall charge on an atom is 0, as there are the same number of positive charged protons as there are negatively charged electrons. Finally, notice that the first energy level will only hold 2, and subsequent energy levels we need to recall can hold up to 8. In this case it's full with 3 in. So we could write the electronic structure of boron as 2 in the first shell and 3 in the outside shell.